How to fix Cash App won't let me verify my identity. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Cash App won't let me verify my identity. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Cash App. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application on your device. Now tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Cash App application and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application and will further fix the bugs in the application. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, delete the app and reinstall the app again. To delete, go to your home screen and tap hold on the Cash App application. You will see the Remove App option, tap on that and then tap on the Delete App option. In the pop-up that appears, tap on Delete again and then go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for Cash App application and reinstall the application again. Once reinstalled, open the application and use the application further, and your Cash App should be working just fine by now. So, this is how you can fix Cash App won't let me verify my identity error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.